reminds me a little bit about what I do in my day job when I help companies with like mission drift, which means like you set out on a mission and you don't really have a clear path, or no one's really guiding you on making sure you're going the right way, and all of a sudden you're a few weeks or months down the road and you're far off from where you intended to set out to go. A big one. Woo. Yeah. Watch that back shot. Bing bong. Just had a bee hit me in the face, yo. No thanks. Ouch. Well, that was not very fun. If I do say so, that was not very fun. All right, let's try it again. That was pass 2.